Hey everybody, Midnight here. In today's video we got a unboxing, and the unboxing we're going to be doing is the Sony soundbar, which is the HT-S100F, and then it's here it's 1,000, not 1,000 but 120 watts. And it's Bluetooth, HDMI. It has S4 front surround, it has Dolby surround, it has clear audio. I purchased this because the sound system that I had was eventually too loud for our apartment, so I found out that sound bars are nice to have, and they still give that good quality sound without disturbing your neighbors. So we're going to actually get into this unboxing, everybody. We're going to see how it is, and we're going to do this. Now, it's not like a very big sound bar, but we're going to get into this unboxing. There we go. Sorry that the box is really long, guys, and I can't film the whole thing. So here's the power cable. There's the power cable. And here's a simple remote. Oh wow, look how small it is. It is tiny. It's a really small remote. Look at that. It's a really tiny remote. See? Input, cinema, music. Ooh, it has night mode. I love night mode. That is so awesome. Let's see what else. Indicator, play mode, audio, enter. Night mode is really nice. With night mode, you turn the night mode on, and it makes it not be able to disturb the neighbors and stuff. So I love night mode, and haven't used night mode in a while, so this is awesome. This is a really nice, beautiful remote. Okay. The instructions. Batteries. HDMI optical cable, so it does come with an optical cable. Oh wow, look at this. Oh, now this is a beautiful piece, guys. Look at that. Let me just get, there's a soundbar, Sony soundbar. I can't wait to test this out. I actually will be doing a review on this product. And it has a subwoofer. It has where I can actually mount it on the wall. And there is the connectors, the HDMI and USB, TV out, TV in. Oh, it's really beautiful. So that's it, guys. That's the Sony soundbar. and I really love it. It's really nice. I can't wait to hear what it sounds. I will be doing a full test on this piece of wonderful tech, and then in about a week I will do a review on it, on how good it is. Okay, everyone, thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel, and please hit that bell to get notifications to upload a video. Please follow us on Twitter and Instagram, because we post there first before we post here. And please support us on Patreon, and subscribe to join the Wolf Pack. And may the spirit of the wolf be with you until we meet again next time in paradise. Okay, everyone? Bye.